My name is Rafael Lang. I'm a professor of physics and astronomy here at Purdue University. You want to mark your calendars. Next year, April 8th, 2024, there's going to be a total solar eclipse across the United States. What will happen is that the moon is moving in between the sun and Earth. So moon is casting its shadow on us. And if you're just at the right spot, then you will be in the shade of the moon. Now, mind you, just the right spot means a narrow path that cuts across the United States that's not even 100 miles wide. So you will probably need to hop in a car and travel there. But if you do that, you will be rewarded with an experience of a lifetime. If you're outside that, we call it the path of totality, you will see a partial solar eclipse. What you will see is if you have eclipse shades, something like those things, quite inexpensive, cost just a few dollars, you can look at the sun and you will see that the moon is eating a bite out of the sun. Okay, that's nice. But if you travel to the path of totality, then you will be able to experience the spectacle of a total solar eclipse. It really doesn't compare. An hour before and an hour after the totality, which the totality only lasts, a couple minutes, depending on where you are, maybe up to 4 minutes if you're lucky. But hour before and hour after, you can look at the sun as well, but you would need some eclipse shades with that. They are super cheap. They're just made from paper, right? And so they cost a couple bucks. And what you can do with them is you can look at the sun before and after the totality, where you see how the moon starts biting out more and more of the sun and eclipsing it more and more. As the moon, you can really see the moon moving in front of the sun, and every few minutes it moves faster and faster. You can watch the moon moving. It's pretty cool. But during the totality, please take off your eclipse shades, experience what you're experiencing, feel it, hear it, see it, and just be in the moment and enjoy this once-in-a-lifetime event. A lot of people will be traveling on that day. So the totality will be, well, depending where you are, here in Indiana at around 2 o'clock, 3 p.m., something like that. My advice would be try to avoid to travel on that day. Think about traveling the day before and travel back the day after, because there's going to be so much traffic all across the country that even highways will be pretty congested. So avoid that if you can.